and welcome to Monica's Keto Kitchen. Like most of my recipes, this one starts with roasting a bunch of garlic. Garlic is kind of a superstar for immune support, well known for its antibiotic and antiviral properties, so it's great for helping fight off a cold or infection. It is also anti-inflammatory, heart healthy, and absolutely delicious. Wrap it up tight and roast it for about 30 minutes at 365. Next, I chop 4 stalks of celery for a fresh and savory base. Celery is especially hydrating and naturally high in electrolytes. Next, I'll add 2 or 3 leeks. I cut these most of the way in half so I could really rinse between the layers, as leeks get very dirty. They add amazing flavor, and they are great for feeding your good gut bacteria. One onion, yellow or sweet, which is packed with antioxidants, especially quercetin, which is another immune booster and anti-inflammatory. 1 bell pepper, whichever color you prefer. Bell peppers are loaded with vitamin C, even more than oranges in some cases, plus they add a little bit of sweetness. And finally, about half a bag of baby carrots. You can also just use shredded or matchstick ones, but I like having big carrot chunks, so I'll just cut these into thirds. Carrots are rich in beta-carotene, which your body converts into vitamin A. That's important for eye health, immune function, and healthy skin. Give this a little mix around, and look at all that goodness. Now I'll debone some chicken thighs. I usually do a whole rack, which is 8 to 10 thighs, but you can use boneless, skinless thighs or just tear up a rotisserie chicken if you want. This way is cheaper per pound, plus I save the skin for crisping and the bones and cartilage for bone broth. I'm just going to season these veggies a little with a few more immune boosters. A little salt, of course, some turmeric, another anti-inflammatory, ginger for the stomach, a few shakes of parsley, and just a touch of curry powder for a cozy, earthy flavor. Then I'll season the chicken the same way. I should have used a bigger dish, but this is fine. I'll just squish it around real good. I'm using my Instant Pot, but you can absolutely do this in a crock pot or on the stove. I start with the sauté function to give the chicken a bit of a head start, since the veggies cook a lot faster. I want to add some of this salty roasted garlic stock, but not too much since I already salted everything. I let the chicken cook on one side until it gets a little browning. That's key for flavor. Ooh, and I found my black pepper, which was missing earlier. You do want a little black pepper with the turmeric for best absorption. Give it a stir and then brown it a little more. veggies. I think I made a little more than what'll fit in this pot. Normally I'd use 2 boxes of chicken broth or stock, but I have most of a beef broth left over from a previous meal, so I'm going to use 1 of each. Really flirting with that max fill line, but I think I can cram in a little more. Cover and pressure cook for just 7 minutes. As soon as it's done, pull the tab to release the pressure. Yep, I did overfill it a bit. That's why it's spitting out all that foam. Now is a good time to taste a little sample and see if it needs any more salt. Then we can add in that roasted garlic from before. I go hard with the garlic, probably too hard, but for a healing soup, I think garlic is the most important ingredient. Give it a good stir to get that all incorporated. There you have it, a hearty and healing feel better soup for whatever ails you.